Good morning everyone. Today I'm gonna take you through the process of pairing a Samsung Galaxy Watch. This is the all-new Samsung Galaxy Watch which I got just a couple of days ago, and what I'm going to show you today is to how to pair this watch with a Bluetooth headset. So this is the Bluetooth headset which I just got. This is Powerbeats 3 by Dr. Dre. So this is the one which I'm going to pair with the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So we'll take you through the process of how to do that. So for that, we'll first need to get these earphones out of the box. So there they are. So these are the Bluetooth wireless headphones. So we'll take them out. There you go. Cool. So these are very cool pair of headsets. So they just if you see here, so this just wraps around your ear and they're completely wireless, so they can be paired with your watch or iPad or any of the devices where you want to play with the music. And it's very handy with a watch, especially if you are running or doing any exercises. So just to have something wirelessly paired with a watch will be really handy. So a little bit about these earphones as well. So they are pretty good. They come with different sizes for different ear canals, and then as you can see, like with the charging cable and the carry case to go with it. So this is like the Powerbeats 3. If you read, feel free to read through some reviews. They are pretty good reviews on the internet. Cool. So now obviously, so this amazing product goes with another amazing product which I recently got. So this is Galaxy Watch 46mm Bluetooth LTE version, as you can see here. Now to show you how to pair this watch with the wireless headphones. So what we'll do is to first get these Powerbeats wireless headphones ready to pair. So to do that, you need to press this button. So how there is a button, so press and hold it for like a few seconds until this white light starts blinking. See, now you can see like how it's blinking. It's ready for pairing. So now what you do is go to your Galaxy Watch and pull down from the top, and then press this settings icon, and then scroll down and go to connections. And now right now the Bluetooth is off, so you tap on that, turn the Bluetooth on, and scroll down to Bluetooth headset and tap on that, and now it's scanning for available headsets. So now it has detected Powerbeats 3, as you can see over here. So you tap onto that, saying pairing, and now it's connected. So now as you can see, so now the white light has become stable. So now the watch and this headset are paired. So these wireless headsets are pretty good for a watch like this, because then you can listen to your music or attend to your calls while you're jogging, or you don't want to everyone to hear around you. So obviously it's very important accessory to have some sort of, it doesn't need to be a Beats, it can be any other accessories as well, but the process would be very similar. So turning the pairing mode on and going to the watch into the same place, and pairing it up. So now we'll just quickly check whether it's working. So now I will turn to the right, and I will go to the call apps, and I will just call any number. So I'm making call, and this I can hear the sound from this earphone. So it's all working. So that's very easy. So that's all for today. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you next video. Have a good one. Bye bye.